back to the channel. We're at a place called, well, I don't want to say it because I don't want to butcher it and people make fun of me. It's some kind of cliff. Look how pretty! Wow. Hey, there's a hole down there. We can come back here. What are you doing? Joshua! I'm sorry if it's so windy and you can't hear me. My hair now looks awful. What is Joshua doing? Oh my goodness, look at its eyebrows. There's no feet. Oh, Joshua, I actually really like it. You can't think this is gross.
It's like a hairy possum.
Oh, it's so cute. Oh, I might get me one. You can get a hairless cat.
Nope.
You know how much this thing is? $6,000. We're getting Indian food. Dang, I can't say anything.
Getting Indian food.
We are getting Indian food. It's an Indian yogurt drink. It's called Lassi, and I got a salted caramel. That's so good, Joshua. Wow. What did you get? His looks fancy. I should have got this. He didn't tell me what he got until now. I didn't even know it was on the menu. I didn't look. It's a raspberry ginger ale. Amazing. I love raspberry. I should have got that. I mean, this is great, but I love some raspberry. Look at this burger. It smells so good. Quit. This is a tandoori burger. It's a burger with like curry infused, Gouda cheese, homemade honey mustard, bacon. Yeah, it's got curry on top of it, so it's like an Indian version of a burger. Is it spicy?
I don't think that's honey mustard.
It is honey mustard. What do you think it is?
Tastes like spicy mustard.
Spicy mustard?
Well, not spicy. It tastes like kind of like spicy mustard mixed with wasabi.
What'd you get? Butter, what'd you get?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Indian
Okay.
food.
What are you doing? So, that burger was so hard to eat. It was such a little burger, but it was so messy that it took me like 15 minutes to eat it. That looks like a horror movie setup. What are you doing? It seems to be a reoccurring thing in American Village at night, only at night, because me and Joshua always come here during the day and they're never here. But there's always somebody in this area that walks up to us and asks if they can pray for us, and then there will be someone else walking towards us. This time, there was an older couple walking towards us while this guy was trying to pray for us, and we said no, because no telling what they're gonna do. They ain't gonna get me, I'll fight.
I'd be like, hey, pray, I'm gonna keep my eyes open.
Yeah. I got the goods. This is my blended espresso affogato frappuccino. So, for the past like 4 videos I've made, I forgot to do an outro. I'm not gonna forget this time. So this is the end of the video. If you liked the video, like the video, and subscribe to my channel if you're watching it. I mean, you're already watching it. Just go ahead and click the button. I'm not getting money. I just want. I want friends. Anyway, we're out.